I want to walk you guys through a really cool design. We have this back entrance here. We're going to create a mudroom bench right here. Then right here, we're going to have glass French doors going into a pretty large gym. We're going to lose those columns in the wall. We're going to have the entrance to the bathroom right here. You got a big bathroom, by the way. We're going to have the sink, toilet, shower, a hidden door there going into the sewer ejector utility room. And then we're going to lose this other column in the wall going into the theater. We'll go in there right now. We're going to have an interesting setup here. We're going to have counter with seating in the back, the platform seating with traditional theater seats, and then here will be a giant U-shaped sofa on the ground with a stage. And then we're going to have some counter here, so maybe under-counter fridge, popcorn maker. So this is really just an awesome setup because you get it all. You get the real comfy family room seating, you get the theater seating, and you get the bar seating where you can put up a laptop, have something to eat, whatever. This space opens up right here. What I really love to do is I'd love to remove all these walls underneath the stairs and turn that into an open area, maybe a day bed, because we're going to knock down all these walls here and have this completely wide open. So this staircase is going to open all the way from there, all the way around to there with spindle railings. This is really my favorite part. Check this out. We're going to put this kids wall unit right there with TV. And then over here, we have this ductwork and this beam low. And then I have this cavity in between. This cavity here, I'm going to hang a monkey bar with hooks for swings. So the kids could actually sit on swings and hammocks and watch the TV. Then we'll utilize this wall, maybe impact sheetrock so they could play tennis against it from this area. Really nice kids play area. And what I love too is we were able to keep these windows and utilize them even though we have a bar set up right here. So this is an awesome, awesome layout.